Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you don't miss any of our tech drops. Today, we're diving into one of the freshest mid-range 5G smartphones to hit the scene. This is the Honor 400 Lite 5G, and let me tell you, it packs way more than you'd expect at this price. Design and display. Right out of the box, this phone feels super sleek. It's only 7.9mm thick and weighs just 171 grams, light in the hand, but bold on design. I've got the Mars green variant here, but it also comes in velvet grey and velvet black, all with that smooth, premium finish. Up front, you're looking at a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. Scrolling and animations feel buttery smooth. Oh, and the peak brightness, a whopping 3,500 nits. That's flagship territory, folks. Camera system. Let's talk cameras. On the back, you've got a 1.8MP main shooter here, 108 megapixels, paired with a 5MP depth sensor for portraits. I took a few shots already, and the detail is, especially in good lighting. On the front, there's a 1.6MP selfie cam with a cool little selfie light built in, perfect for those late night stories or video calls. Oh, and it supports 1080p video recording at 30fps, totally solid for casual content creators. Performance and software. Under the hood, we're running on the MediaTek Dimensity 7025, which has been surprisingly snappy during my testing. Paired with either 8 or 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, it's more than enough for your apps, games, and everyday tasks. It's running Android 15 with Magicos 9.0 on top, and honestly, it's smooth, clean, and full of useful features without feeling bloated. Battery and charging. Battery life. You're covered with a 5,230 mAh battery, which easily gets you through the day. And when you need juice fast, there's 35W Honor Supercharge to top it up in no time. Connectivity and features. It's got 5G, dual SIM with eSIM support, Bluetooth 5.3, and a side-mounted fingerprint scanner for quick unlocks. Bonus points for the IP60 for rating, meaning it's splash and dust resistant, a nice touch at this price point. Price and final thoughts. And here's the kicker, it comes in at around €350, making it a seriously compelling mid-range pick in 2025. You're getting flagship display brightness, a 108MP camera, great battery, and 5G all in a premium build. So, if you're looking for a stylish, reliable, and future-proof 5G phone without breaking the bank, the Honor 400 Lite 5G might just be the one. In a market saturated with high-priced flagships and lookalike mid-ranges, the Honor 400 Lite 5G stands out not because it tries to be something it's not, but because it knows exactly what it wants to be. Accessible, capable, and surprisingly refined. This phone isn't chasing benchmarks or hype. It's chasing balance, and it nails it. From the Dimensity 7025 chipset to the 120Hz AMOLED display, Honor is deliberately placing this phone at the intersection of performance and practicality. It doesn't aim to be the fastest or flashiest, it aims to be reliable, efficient, and enjoyable to use. That's a much harder balance to strike and one many mid-range phones miss. Honor knows that most users want a phone that feels smooth, takes great photos, lasts all day, and doesn't overcomplicate the experience. The 400 Lite 5G delivers on all fronts without overpromising. That 10MP main sensor is no gimmick. It represents a growing trend: premium camera hardware in affordable devices. Whether you're a student, content creator, or casual user, you're getting photo quality that punches above its weight class, and that alone makes this phone an attractive pick. Combine that with subtle touches like the selfie light and portrait-enhancing depth camera, and you've got a smartphone that actually considers the way real people use their cameras. Too many phones overlook daily usability in favor of flashy specs. The Honor 400 Lite 5G doesn't. The 5230 mAh battery gives true all-day stamina. 35W wired charging is fast enough to keep up with your day. It's thin, light, and easy to hold things that matter more over time than a few extra gigahertz or pixels. This kind of thoughtfulness makes a huge difference for the long-term user experience. At under €350, offering 5G, eSIM support, Bluetooth 5.3, and even IP65 resistance is an impressive feat. These aren't headline features, but they're meaningful ones that quietly elevate the phone's value. It's not about the buzzwords, it's about removing limitations and future-proofing the device for real-world use. The Honor 400 Lite 5G is a reminder that you don't need to spend $1,000 to get a great smartphone experience. It may not have the spotlight of the latest flagships, but in many ways, it delivers a smarter, more focused experience. In a world where tech often shouts, this phone whispers with confidence. I'm here to do my job beautifully, reliably, and without drama. And honestly, that's exactly what most people need. To our amazing followers, hey everyone. We just want to take a moment to say a huge thank you to each and every one of you for following and supporting our channel. Your likes, comments, shares, and presence mean more than words can say. You're not just an audience, you're part of a growing community that's curious, inspired, and always ready for what's next. Whether you've been with us from day one or just joined today, know that you belong here. This is just the beginning, and we're excited to keep exploring the latest in tech, gadgets, innovation, and creativity together. So here's to you: stay connected, stay inspired, and keep riding with us on this incredible journey. Much love and big things ahead. Let's grow together.